Statistical analysis or number crunching is important for digital marketers for things like campaign performance, identifying trends, measuring customer behavior, and forming data-driven decisions for improved ROI and engagement. This could be in the form of descriptive statistics or trend analysis. With descriptive statistics, you could calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance to summarize data. Trend analysis could be used to identify patterns and trends over a period of time in metrics like web traffic, sales, and social media engagement. Let's look at a sample dataset. This sample data is the kind you might collate from website metrics. Here, the headers include page views, unique visitors, sessions, engagement rate in percentages, average session duration, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, conversions, cost per acquisition in dollars, and revenue in dollars. I'll use this sample data to demonstrate descriptive analysis. You could use a fairly simple prompt to accomplish this. Let's look at it. I am a marketing manager at a growing SaaS company. I need to perform a descriptive statistics analysis of website metrics collated in a document, which I have uploaded. Calculate the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance for the following metrics in the document: page views, unique visitors, sessions, engagement rate, average session duration, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, CTR, conversions, CPA, and revenue. Act as a digital marketing data analyst. After undertaking the descriptive statistics calculations, please provide a summary analysis of each calculation and suggestions for improvement for each header. Along with the prompt, I've uploaded the data. Now I'll let ChatGPT analyze it. ChatGPT has consumed and analyzed the data and provided calculations for each of the headers. For example, in page views, it's provided the mean, the median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. Then it's gone on to provide an analysis, in this case, steady but slightly fluctuating. Increasing content engagement through targeted campaigns can boost page views. Suggestion: run A/B tests on landing pages to optimize for better attention. It's done the same for unique visitors, where it has recognized that there is consistent traffic over time. It's analyzed the website sessions and has suggested providing users with personalized recommendations and reminders. In the same manner, it's analyzed and made suggestions for engagement rate, average session duration, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, conversions, CPA, and revenue. At the end, the model's gone on to provide some top-level recommendations as well. Now let's try something similar for statistical trend analysis using collated sample data for a single social media platform. Here's some sample data collated for Instagram. The dataset contains most of the key metrics you might see from Instagram analytics. Let's take a look at a simple prompt to perform statistical trend analysis using this data. I am a social media manager at a growing SaaS company. I need to perform a statistical trend analysis of Instagram metrics collated in a document which I have uploaded. Act as a digital marketing data analyst. Analyze the uploaded data to identify trends and patterns in social media engagement over time. Calculate the following metrics: average engagement rate, follower growth rate, and CTR trends. Provide insights about the performance. After performing the statistical trend analysis, please provide a summary of each analyzed metric and suggest improvements for these. I'll need to attach the data with this prompt, and then ChatGPT can analyze it according to the instructions provided. And it's completed this very quickly. The model has analyzed the data and provided observations and improvement suggestions for the 3 metrics it was asked to analyze in the prompt. This kind of analysis can be scaled with data covering multiple months and analysis requirements for numerous other metrics. Let's look at an example of comparative analysis next. Comparative analysis using ChatGPT could include A/B testing analysis, which can be used to compare marketing campaigns, landing pages, or email variants to find the most effective one. Or it can be used for benchmarking to evaluate performance by comparing metrics against industry standards. or competitors. Let me demonstrate comparative analysis using an A/B testing scenario. For this demonstration, I've considered two emails, both of which promote a webinar, and the performance data for each has been included at the right-hand side bottom corner. The first email subject line is "Unlock the Secrets of Digital Marketing," and the second one is "Join our free digital marketing webinar." Here's the prompt. I am a marketing manager at a training institute. I need to undertake a detailed A/B testing analysis of two emails, for which the content and result metrics are collated in a document which I have uploaded. The uploaded document contains A/B testing performance information in 2 pages. The first page contains the content and performance data for email variant 1, and the second page contains the content and performance data for email variant 2. The performance data pertains to information such as sent date, number of emails sent, open rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, number of registrations, and revenue generated. Act as a digital marketing data analyst. Perform a detailed A/B testing analysis to compare the performance of the two email variants. Calculate the mean, median, and standard deviation for open rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, number of registrations, and revenue generated for each email variant. Provide detailed observations and inferences based on the calculated metrics and performance differences between email variant A and B. Suggest recommendations to improve the performance of the email campaigns based on the analysis. Here's the prompt and an upload of the information required. ChatGPT has provided the response really quickly. For each of the two emails, it's run the necessary calculations for the metrics indicated in the prompt, covering open rate, click-through rate, the conversion rate, number of registrations, and the revenue generated. The model's gone on to make observations, noticing that email 2 consistently outperforms email 1, and then it's made inferences from the observations. And finally, it's provided a list of recommendations for improvement. This kind of capability can be very handy, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at high frequency to multiple audiences. Of course, you can run comparative analysis for various other scenarios. Next, let's look at predictive analytics. You can use ChatGPT to conduct predictive analytics for things like forecasting, where you could use the model to predict future trends, using historical data like sales forecasts or traffic projections. And then there's customer segmentation, where you could identify distinct customer groups based on behavior, demographics, or purchasing patterns. Let me demonstrate forecasting. Forecasting is vital for making informed decisions and to plan future strategies. Let's look at an example. Here, I've got source-wise website traffic data. This covers a period of 6 months. In this scenario, to be able to plan ahead, I'd like to have a forecast of traffic for the next 3 months. Let's look at a prompt to achieve this. I'm a business head at a growing SaaS company. I'm currently planning business activities for the next 3 months. I need to forecast website traffic from various sources for the next 3 months based on website traffic data collated over the previous 6 months. The historical data is available in a document which I have uploaded with this prompt. Act as a digital marketing data analyst. Study and analyze the provided 6-month historical website data broken down by traffic sources, organic, paid, referral, social, and direct. Predict the next 3 months' traffic from each source, calculate the expected percentage contribution of each source, and provide recommendations on actions to be taken to achieve the forecasted numbers. Here's the prompt, and here's the data uploaded. So ChatGPT has studied the data, summarized it, created a source-wise 3-month forecast, mentioning the expected contribution per source during that period, and then recommended actions for each specific source to achieve the forecasted numbers. It's always good to have a rolling forecast so that you can allocate resources and to be able to set targets. Next, let's look at behavioral analysis. Behavioral analysis involves examining and interpreting patterns in human behavior to predict future actions and make data-driven decisions. Within this, you could do things like user journey analysis to map and analyze customer journeys, to identify drop-off points and figure improvement opportunities. Then you could look at engagement metrics to evaluate user interactions with content, including things like time spent, click-through rates, and social shares. To demonstrate, let's look at some campaign funnel data. Here's some sample data covering an e-commerce website campaign over a 6-month period. This data covers conversion funnel stages, impressions and CTRs in the awareness stage, time on site and pages per session in the interest, add to cart and checkout initiation in the desire stage, and finally completed transactions in the action stage. As a marketer, you might want to understand user patterns or behavior in this data. I'm a marketing manager at a growing SaaS company. I need to conduct behavioral analysis of an e-commerce campaign covering 6 months. The campaign data has been pasted below this prompt. In this instance, I'm going to paste the data to demonstrate that you can actually do that. Moving ahead, act as a digital marketing data analyst. Study the 6-month campaign conversion funnel data. Break this down into user journey stages: awareness, interest, decision, action. Conduct a detailed user journey analysis to identify drop-off points and opportunities for improvement. Provide observations and insights about the data at each stage and offer recommendations on how to improve performance. Here's the prompt. I've copied the table and I'm going to paste it in here. Now I'll let ChatGPT analyze this. As expected, ChatGPT has consumed and analyzed the data. For each stage mentioned in the prompt, the model has made observations. From the observation, it's drawn an insight, and then it's made a recommendation. And these look like practical, doable ones. So it's covered the awareness stage, the interest stage, the decision stage, and the action stage. At the end, it's provided insights about drop-off points and opportunities for improvement. Tracking and analyzing conversion is a very important part of performance marketing, and ChatGPT can help speed up analysis, enabling you to take actions faster. See you soon.